welcome back to Budgeting with Debbie. So as you might have guessed from my layout, we're going to be looking at my sinking funds, and it's my 1 year of doing sinking funds anniversary. So I promised I would do this video in my last cash stuffing envelope for March of 2021. We'll link that video in the blurb down below, so you can go and watch that video if you wish. So essentially we're just going to have a look at what my float is, so how much money I have got available straight away should I need it. So it's like my liquid assets, if you like. So I'm going to go through, write down all my totals of what's in there at the moment, and we're going to have a look at how much I've saved in 1 year of doing sinking funds. So we're going to zoom in, and we're probably going to do a quick time lapse, and then we'll add it all up together at the end. Okay, so that's all of my sinking funds totals. Sorry, I made a little boo-boo here. My list and my book don't tally, but hey ho, we got there in the end. So now we're just going to use my calculator, and then we will see how much we've got in total. I didn't realise I've got quite this much really. Okay, so I'm not going to do this by mental maths because I will go wrong. So we've got 280 in medical, 11 in Valentine's, 24 in Amazon, 15 in Disney Plus, 0 in Easter, 100 in Father's Day, 100 in my dad's birthday, 80 in my brother's birthday, 70 in my registration, 300 in the school fund, 120 for my husband's birthday, 67 for the BACCN, 60 for Goose Fair, 45 for our anniversary, 120 for my daughter's birthday, 48 for Halloween, 25 for bonfire night, 188 in personal Christmas, 300 in our joint Christmas, 25 New Year, 75 in gifts, 775 in trips. So this P is my Disney Spends personal, so this is just for me. We have got a family savings as well, but I don't include that on here. 51 for technology and 61. Wow. Wow. So that's £3,207. Ah! Oh my goodness. I was expecting it to be like 2.5, not quite that much. So, and this isn't including what we've already spent, so we've actually saved a lot more than this. It just goes to show that if you organise your money and have a plan for where your money's going to go, you can really make it work for you. Obviously up to, where are we? We're at Easter. So all of these have all been spent in a year. I've gone through all of these events already in a year, apart from obviously like Disney Spends and stuff. But so we've already saved up some of this money, and now we're saving it up again. So it just shows that it can be done. It just takes a little bit of planning, a bit of dedication. I can't believe that number. That's amazing. So this trip's the 775. That's 2 different trips we've got planned. I can't believe we've managed to save up that much money, and I didn't even realise that much was in there. That's amazing. I'm totally chuffed. Right, I'm going to go. Enjoy your afternoon. Just a quick video. I hope you're all well. Please like and subscribe. Click that little bell, the notification bell, and you'll get to see all of my content. We'll have a debt-free journey update later on this month when we've made the overpayment. So we've got our final totals for this month. There we go. Take care. Bye.